Good day, class. I'm your teacher, Sir Alcian S. Malonzo. Our topic is Computer System Servicing under Grade 11. This is actually our module for Week 1 and Week 2 for our Quarter 3. So this is a continuation of the Quarter 1 and Quarter 2 na diniscuss natin doon yung under sa Competency 1 or Certificate of Competency 1. So, yung install and configure computer system. So, dito itutuloy na natin. So, part na to ng COC2, set up computer networks. So, our objective for this topic, okay, our topic is all about network components. Ayan. So, didiscuss natin yung what is networking, network components, and then, after this video, after watching this video, you will be able to or master and have a knowledge about network concepts. So, computer network concepts. Number 2 is identify the different components of network. Number 3 is identify the different types of network. So, yung una, network concept. Yung pangalawa natin ay different components of network. And then yung pangatlo ay yung mga tinatawag nating types of network. So this is a very good topic at marami na kayong matututunan dito about sa computer networking. Ito yung stepping stone or building blocks na kailangan nating matutunan para pag diniscuss na natin yung core topics sa networks, maintindihan nyo na. Okay? So let us proceed with our PowerPoint presentation. Yan. Okay. So my first question there is, did you already share a file from one device to the other? How? Okay. So most especially, lahat tayo, ginamit na yan. Let us say for an example, connecting to mobile phone, tapos magpapasa tayo ng picture na kinuha natin. So ano yung ginagawa natin? There are several steps. Pwedeng gumamit kayo ng Bluetooth, magpapasa ng picture, yung one cellphone to the other, magre-receive naman yung isa. Pwede naman gagamit tayo ng mga particular software para makapaglipat tayo ng mga files. Pwede rin naman isend nyo through email, through messenger, at iba't iba pang paraan. Okay? Alam nyo, yung ginagawa natin yon, doon na nagsisimula yung tinatawag nating networking. Okay? So, to get further, ano ba ang network? Yan. Paano natin naintindihan ang tinatawag nating network? So, sa computer, very technical yung term niya, pero gagawin natin siyang mas madali. Okay? So, computer network. Gaya na sinabi ko kanina, ang pinakamaganda dyan na example is gumamit tayo ng cellphone, nag-send tayo ng file. So, sa networking basic na ito, kagaya nung sinabi ko kaninang objectives natin na nasa module, pareho lang po yung nakalagay ngayon sa screen ninyo. Okay? We will identify essential network components, yung mga importante, describe the various models, distinguish difference peer-to-peer and server-based. May example tayo mamaya, okay? Additional yan. Then, we will describe the characteristics and features of LAN, MAN, and A1. Tapos, meron pa tayong additional na dyan, dalawa, no? Mamaya makikita nyo yung BVN at saka yung SAN. Okay, balikan natin yung definition ng networking. So, pag sinabi nating networking, combination of techniques, physical connection, and computer programs used to link two or more computer. Bakit yung example kanina is cellphone? Cellphone or mobile phones are considered to be computer. Okay? Special type of computer. Network users are able to share files, printer, other resources, send electric messages, and run programs on computers. So meaning, kapag pala sinabi nating networking, combination na ito, okay? It's not only one particular, sasabihin nating particular system, kung hindi combination na po siya. Okay? So again, kanina, pag pinag-usapan natin yung example ko, cellphone, hindi lang naman cellphone. May kasamang software at meron kasamang technology kung paano natin siya ipinag-connect. Yun yung iintindihin natin ngayon dito. How about when we say computer networks? So sabi nga dyan, tayo ay nagne-network obviously para ma-improve yung data communication. Number one, para makapag-share tayo ng information. Okay, whatever is that information, whatever form is the information. Pwedeng through video, through text, or through other materials considered to be digital, which are connected either directly or through a network. Okay, sir, bakit po mayroong either directly or through a network? Makikita natin later. Though it may sound very simple, it takes a lot of hardware and computer technologies to make a computer connect and communicate with each other. Kapag kasi tayo, user lang, alam lang natin na nag-send ako ng file. Alam lang natin na nag-share ako ng file. Alam lang natin na naka-receive ako. Pero as computer system servicing learners, kailangan nating maintindihan yung concept. Paano nangyayari yun? Ano yung mga ginamit at bakit naging ganun? At later on, kapag marunong na kayo, tayo na mismo yung magne-network. Okay? So, a computer network, therefore, is a collection of hardware and software components connected by some means with the purpose of sharing information and resources. So, meron tayong hardware, merong software, and then connection. Or they are connected by some means. May paraan kung paano sila kinoconnect. Gaya nga nasabi ko, iba-iba yung technology ngayon. You are all very familiar with what we call Wi-Fi technology. Okay? Isa lang yon, Bluetooth technology. Bakit tayo nagne-network? Yun nga, para makapag-share tayo ng information and resources. Sir, ano po ba itong information nito at resources na ito? Okay, eto na. For example, ikaw, bakit ka nag-connect sa isang device? Bakit kinonekta mo yung device mo sa classmate mo? Bakit inopen mo yung Bluetooth? Ano yung mga advantages na nakukuha natin doon? Bakit ka nag-share ng file? So, here are the particular reasons in general. Okay, kung bakit tayo kumo-connect. Una, we improve productivity. Like for example, if this is a company, it is a bank, it is a, sabihin nating advertisement company, it is television, it is radio, other form of company, law firm, production, okay? Yung mga gumagawa ng products, okay? Yung mga, mga tinatawag natin manufacturing. So, nag-i-improve ang productivity. Why? Because of the fast information dissemination. Napapabilis. Di ba ngayon, kesa sa kung meron kang gustong makausap na tao, pwedeng hindi siya face-to-face. You can do it by the technology. Paano ka makakagamit ng technology? You will connect on a particular network. Okay? Lower the total hardware cost. Mapapamura yung hardware cost. Why? For example, yung isang company merong 50 employees na gumagamit, merong 50 computers. So, hindi naman lahat ng 50 employees mo ay lalagyan mo ng tigi-isang printer. Kasi pwedeng 5 lang ang printer, 2 lang ang printer, i-connect mo lahat ng units doon, nakashare yung printer. Kaya nga sabi kanina, sharing resources. Diba? Yung printer, di naman siguro ginagamit ng isang empleyado ng 8 hours a day. Okay? So, anong nangyari? Bumaba yung hardware cost. Okay? And then, number 3, of course, is to improve communication. Diba? Magpapatawag tayo, for example, ng meeting in a company or kailangan nating makausap yung other bosses on the other company. You don't need to travel kung nasa ibang bansa sila. You don't need to travel kung nasa ibang probinsya. Okay? Kung yung mga empleyado mo nasa different offices, pwedeng through video conference. Diba? O tinatawag ngayon, meet. Diba? Video meeting. So, nagiging-improve yung communication at bumibilis. Kaya nga, kumukonekta tayo sa network. Ngayon, sa network, meron ding of course disadvantage. Unang disadvantage, hindi kahit sino pwedeng mag-network. It requires a highly skilled personnel. Dapat marunong siya. Kaya nga kayong CSS learners, kailangan marunong tayong mag-network. Okay? Puts your system at risk from hackers and computer viruses and infection. Of course, kapag naka-network ang mga computer, lalo na naka-open online, may risk talaga from hackers and computer viruses. But always remember, lahat naman yan, may mga solution. Kaya nga mag-hire ka ng highly skilled personnel. Okay? Number 3, if the main computer goes down, it could be a huge loss to the company. Ay, oo nga pala, pwede nga palang masira yung server. Paano yun kung doon lahat nakasave? Again, meron ng solution na mga nakaatang dyan. Siyempre, may gastos lang. For example, yung server, advanced topic lang ng konti to, meron tayong tinatawag na disk mirroring. Disk mirroring means lahat nung nasa-save doon sa server, kaagad, nakokopya siya sa isa pang hard disk drive para backup. Para masira man ang server, lahat ng files mo nandun pa rin. Okay? So that's the disadvantage of networking. Ngayon, pag nag-network tayo, isang kailangan nating malaman, ano ba yung mga components ng isang computer network? Ano yung mga nabibilang dito? This figure shows a typical network and its component. A clear understanding of what these components are, as well as the other related terms will be very helpful at this point. Yan, mamaya makikita natin isa-isa, no? Babalikan natin yan, tapos tuturo natin kung saan ba yung mga sinasabi natin kanina. Una, meron tayong tinatawag na client or workstation pag sa network. Okay. A computer that avails the services provided by the server, usually less powerful than the server. So pag sinabi natin client or workstation, kinokonekta natin siya sa network para makuha natin yung mga available resources. For example, in a company, merong isang teller sa bangko. So yung computer niya, nakakonect yun sa server, for example, ng BDO. So siya ay kumukuha ng resources sa server ng BDO. Anong tawag dun sa computer niya? Client or workstation. Pwede yung ordinary computer, i-connect natin sa network. Tapos, for example, ikaw na lang, as an ordinary person, nag-computer ka, inopen mo yung Facebook, client or workstation ang tawag doon. Kasi nag-avail ka ng services ng server ng Facebook. Next, we have server. Yan. So, ano ba yung server? Usually a high-end computer that provides services to the other computers on the network. Kung yung kanina, yung client or workstation ay kumukuha, yung namang server, siya yung nagbibigay ng resources and information. Halimbawa, yung sinabi ko kaninang sa BDO, so merong teller kumukuha sa server. Meaning, may server ang BDO na isang high-end computer na doon lahat kinukuha yung information ng isang client. Okay? Another example, yung kanina natin, kumonekta ka sa Facebook server. Ang Facebook server, napakalaki niyan. Meron silang main na nasa California yata yun, America. So, it means, kapag nag-login ka using your account, lahat nung information mo, mga pictures na naka-upload, comments, likes, messages, lahat yon nasa server ng Facebook. Tatandaan mo ha, hindi naman syempre nakasave yun sa computer mo. Nakasave yon sa server ng Facebook. Ano yung computer mo? Client or workstation. Saan ka kumuha? Sa server ng Facebook. Okay? Next, resources. Anything that is available to the client on the network. This could be printer. Gaya na sabi ko kanina, di ba? Mag-share tayo ng printer, hard disk, fax machine, software, modems, etc. Lahat ng na-avail natin over sa network, basta kumonekta ka, lahat ng kinuha mo doon, lahat ng nagagamit mo doon, ang tawag doon resources. File man yan, software man yan, internet connection yan. Okay? Lahat yan, ang tawag sa kanila ay resources. Halimbawa, yung isang empleyado, wala siyang printer, pero nakakonect siya sa printer nung kanyang higher up. Nag-print siya, lumabas dun sa printer nung higher up niya. Anong ginawa niya? Gumamit siya ng resources, which is printer, na kasama sa network. So, reviewin natin yung tatlong components. Muna, client or workstation, server, resources. Next, media. Media is the physical connection between devices on the network. Pwede siyang, meron actually dalawa yung tinatawag connectionless and connection. So, pag sinabi nating physical connection, hindi naman talaga actually physically connected ka lalo na sa technology natin ngayon. Balikan natin yung dalawa kaninang cellphone na nag-send through Bluetooth. So, ano yung media na ginamit? Dalawang cellphone at ang Bluetooth technology. Ang tawag doon, media. Kumonekta ka sa computer shop, tapos nag-print ka o kaya nag-Facebook ka or nag-games ka. Saan ka kumonek? Anong ginamit mong connection? Sir, di ko po alam. Yes, di mo alam. Kasi kumonekta ka through gamit ang cable, tapos merong router or meron siyang switch. Okay, na i-discuss natin sa mga susunod na topic yon. So, those are examples of media. Yung connection na ginagamit natin. It can be wired, it can be wireless. Pwedeng merong central device, pwedeng walang central device. Matututunan natin yung mga yon pag umabot na tayo dun sa mga particular module natin doon. Peer, a computer that is both a server and a client. Uy, pwede pala yon. Sabi ni Sir kanina, yung number 1 na component ay workstation or client, number 2 is server. Ngayon, kapag ang computer mo or ang device mo ay nagiging server at nagiging client, ang tawag doon peer. Okay? Huwag magpapalito. We call it peer. Paano yon? O, balikan natin yung dalawang cellphone na nag-send ng file. Si cellphone A, nag-send ng file kay cellphone B. Sino yung nag-send ng file? Si cellphone A. So, si cellphone A? Kinuhanan siya ng resources. Siya ay server. Ano ngayon si cellphone B? Siya yung nag-receive ng file. Si cellphone B ay workstation or client. Okay. Ngayon, may hininging file si cellphone A kay cellphone B. Nag-send ng file si cellphone B, kay cellphone A. So, ano ngayon ang ginawa ni cellphone B? Si cellphone B ngayon naging server. Kanina, client siya. Nag-receive siya ng file kanina mula dun sa cellphone A. Pero ngayon, siya naman ang magsisend ng file. Siya ngayon ay server. So, at the same time, si cellphone B ay naging client and server. Ang tawag sa kanya peer. Nung nag-receive na ngayon si cellphone A ng file na galing kay cellphone B, kanina server siya, ngayon nag-receive siya ng file, naging client siya, siya rin ay isang peer. Sir, lahat po ba ng devices ay peer? Hindi. Once lang na nag-share ka ng file at naka-receive ka ng other resources. Okay? When you become a server and a client, you are a peer. Okay? Peer yung device na yon. Next network component na napaka-importante, user. Tayong mga end users. The person that avails the network resources through one of the network clients. So, ibig sabihin, lahat kayo, kung kayo ay nag-i-internet, lahat kayo ay gumagamit ng computer at nag-a-avail ng information or resources over the network, over the Wi-Fi, over the internet, you are a user. So, part tayo ng network components. Reviewin natin ulit. We have the client, workstation. We have the server, number 2. Number 3, we have what we call resources. Number 4, we have media. Number 5, we have user. And then, we have what we call protocol. Protocol is the language that the computers on the network use. It defines the rules of the communication for the computer. Wow, ano yun si protocol? Okay. Si protocol, sinasabi natin may ibang language si computer na ginagamit para magkaintindihan sila. Kaya nga dati, di ba, ang hirap i-connect ng iPhone into other devices because they don't use the same protocol. Maintindihan nyo yung protocol na to pag umabot na tayo dun sa configuring a network. Sa ngayon, accept nyo muna na it is the rules of the communication of the computer para maintindihan yung isa't isa. Parang tayong person, tao. Kahit tao ako, kung ako'y Kapampangan, tapos ikaw ay Bicolano, and then gumamit ka ng language mo na Bicolano, gumamit ako ng Kapampangan, di tayo nagkaintindihan, ibig sabihin, we are not using the same protocol. Pero kung pareho tayong marunong pala ng Tagalog, nagtagalog tayo, we define a rule of communication para magkaintindihan tayo. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? So that is protocol. So yan ang mga network components. Okay? So kung babalikan natin yung kanina dito, so pwede palang magkaroon dito ng server, workstation, yung hub na to, tsaka yung mga cable, they can be what we call media. Yung mga kung ano yung isi-share dyan, we can call them resources. Yung gagamit dyan ay user. And how they communicate is what we call a protocol. Those are what we call the network components. Kung alam na natin ang network components, baka kapag-move na tayo dun sa LAN, MAN, and WAN. When we said network can be further classified according to the size or area, ibig sabihin, iba-iba pala yung tawag sa pagka-connect ng network. Kanina kasi, computer network lang yung definition. Ngayon, meron mga tinatawag nating connection yan. Okay? Halimbawa, pag sinabi nating WAN, is a collection of local area network, LAN, L-A-N, okay, is a collection of interconnected network computers that can share data, application, and resources, kagaya na sinabi natin kanina, such as printers. Computer in a LAN are separated by distance up to a few kilometers. So, malapitan lang. Minsan, wala man lang kilometers. It is the smallest of the network because the computers are confined in a small area, typically within a building, or typically minsan within a room. Okay? For example, computer shop. Punta ka. May 10 computer, naka-network, connected to each other, kaya nga nakakapag-games kayo doon, di ba? Na magkakalabang kayo. Or magkakampi. So, we call that local area network. Pumasok ka sa school, sa senior high school in Apalit. Nakita mo na yung ICT Lab 301 and ICT Lab 302 connected yung mga computer, we call that local area network. Okay? Pumunta ka sa munisipyo, nakita mo na yung mga computer dun sa munisipyo main building, sa engineering, sa COMELEC, sa RHU ay connected to each other. Ang tawag doon, local area network. Nag-college ka na, nag-aral ka sa BSU, nakita mo na ang CICT building, admin building, library, connected yung mga computer. We call that local area network. Okay? So, limited pa rin yung kanyang distance. Okay. Kapag pinalawak natin ang LAN, dito tayo sa may bandang dulo, no? When connected LANs are spread over a large area, malaki na, such as several university or campuses, a city or municipality, they form what we call metropolitan area network. BSU Malolos, connected sa BSU Bustos, connected yung mga computer sa BSU Meneses Campus, BSU Obando. So, ang tawag doon, Metropolitan Area Network. Ayan. Okay. Meron pa bala dyan, Sarmiento Campus. Metropolitan Area Networks are slower and higher and have higher error rates compared to LAN. Siyempre, malayo yung distance. Okay? And then, the other thing is, hindi ka basta-basta makakapag-connecta niyan kung wala kang proper training and experience. Dapat magsimula muna tayo sa local area network. Kapag naman pinalawak pa natin ang metropolitan, yan, pinalawak natin as the numbers of local area, pinalawak from local area network, metropolitan area network, kinonekta natin sa internet. So, ano kaya ang tawag sa kanya? It is now what we call the wide area network. Okay? Siyempre, iba na yan. Yan. For example, no, we have BSU in Japan is connected to BSU in the Philippines, is connected in BSU in Korea. Just like Facebook Philippines is connected to Facebook America, is connected to Facebook Hong Kong, is connected to Facebook Japan and other countries. Kaya nga nabubview natin yung mga kamag-anak natin na nasa ibang bansa, nakikita natin lahat. So because they are connected into wide area network. Okay? Sample 1 connected for Bulso located at different campuses. Okay. Wide area is more technical point. Siyempre, may ginagamit na siyang tinatawag nating switching nodes, router switches, na matututunan nyo as we go along with our lesson. These nodes form what we call a switching subnetwork or a simply subnetwork. So ngayon, ang maganda dyan, at least alam natin na merong LAN, merong MAN, merong WAN. Kasi ang start naman natin dyan, local area network. Tsaka na tayo mag-wide area network. Okay? By using routers and switches. So, laktawan ko na muna to. And then, syempre, meron mga tinatawag ngayon na mga special network, which is isa is SAN. Storage area network is a high-speed subnetwork of shared storage devices. A shared storage device is a machine that contains nothing but this or this for storage of data. Halimbawa, tayo, no? Wag na nating example yung mga malalaking company. Kasi yung mga malalaking company, natural, merong storage area network yan. For example, no? SM Corporation. Yan, merong mga storage area network yan. Na yung mga sales nila, yung mga records nila, nakasave yan. Automatic at nagsasave sa isang server na tawag sa kanya, storage area network. O gawin na lang natin, for example, gumagamit tayo ng Google Drive. Na kung saan nakakapag-save tayo sa cloud ng files natin, nakakapag-share tayo, pag anywhere tayo pumunta, basta may internet na access natin, ang tawag doon, storage area network. Okay? Virtual private network. Meron din ganyan. Allows admin to take advantage of the internet to help provide the functionality and security of private WAN connection at a lower cost. So kung makikita natin figure, meron siyang internet, tapos may homeowner, may remote worker, may firewall. So yung mga ibang term dyan, no, ngayon nyo palang na-meet. May file server, intranet, and then meron tinatawag na virtual private network. Na pag nalaman na nating buo yung mga concept ng networking, together with the what we call the sizes of the network, matututunan natin kung ano talaga yung virtual private network. Or minsan narinig natin yan, VPN. Okay? So these are the topics on our what we call module. Okay? So kung titignan natin yung module natin, ito yung mga topic na diniscuss natin dito. Okay? The good thing about this is mas clear. Ngayon, iiwan namin sa inyo itong tinatawag nating activity guide. So sa activity guide, identify the following features and write the name and the purpose. Answer on separate sheet. Ayan. So, titignan natin dito. Nasa module naman yan. And then, on this space, sasabihin natin kung anong tawag dito at kung ano yung purpose niya. So, ilan to? Ayan. Okay? And then, for our activity 2, yan, in a short bond paper, illustrate and draw different types of computer network. Naku, napakadali. Diniscuss ko kanina. Ayan, ano? So, yan. Explain each type based on their function. Yun. So, dito naman yun, ha? And then, dun sa reflection natin, yan. So, things that you learn. Interesting facts about the topic. I believe very interesting sa inyo to dahil nalaman nyo yung mga components at yung mga types of network natin. Tapos kung may question pa kayo, yan. Pwede nyo i-jot down yung mga questions, tanong nyo sa akin sa GC natin or i-PM nyo sa akin. Pwede nyo ulitin yung video para mas maging malinaw. Then, sagutin itong true or false natin. Yan. Kung nakinig lang kayo dito sa ating video tutorial, masasagot nyo na yan. Then, the last one, make an audio recording about the functions and uses of computer network component. Naku, diniscuss ko na kanina yung mga function and uses. Pakinggan nyo lang uli yun. Tapos, maglagay lang kayo ng ibang example. Submit the recording on a given link by your instructor. So, sinend ko na po dun sa GC natin yung link kung saan nyo isa-send or i-upload yung tinatawag nating audio recording. Okay? So, 20 points yan. So, yan ang mga activities natin for week 1 and 2, quarter 3, grade 11 computer system servicing. Okay? Thank you at sana po marami kayong natutunan sa lesson natin. So now, gawin po natin is kung meron pa kayong mga questions dito, pwedeng panoorin ulit itong video or pwedeng magtanong sa akin. Hopefully po, ma-receive na natin yung mga sagot ninyo by next week. So, yun. Kung wala na tayong mga i-inquire pa dito. So, thank you very much for watching the video and I hope you learn regarding computer networks. Again, class, see you on our next video tutorial. This is your teacher, Sir SHS Malonzo, saying goodbye, God bless, and keep safe.